M0FXB, welcome to my videos learning how to use the new YAESU FT5DR. FXB, thought I'd do this video about the FT5DE and the battery. So I do think it's a good battery, and it's the same one in the FT2 and FT1, SBR14Li, 7.2 volts, 2200 milliamps. Okay, and it's a good battery, has a nice belt clip, and you can use the holster. So anyway, so the video is really about the waterproofing. So if you look at the back of this radio, you've got a red rubber that goes around the power terminals, and rubber here, and it's a sealed unit. This is a sealed unit, and screws here. I'm sure if I took the screws off, pulled the knob off, it would slip out and there'd be probably a rubber gasket underneath. So because what it is, when the battery is on the radio, it doesn't look watertight. If I clip this on like so, and then push, you hear that click. Now if you look closely, there's quite a gap there, and if I shine a torch in that gap, I don't know if you can see it here, just there, you get a little glisten. See that little glisten? You can actually see into the back casing. So I thought, well, how can that be waterproof? Because people have got these radios and put them in a big glass of water, and the only way it can be is if we know they've waterproofed the sides with these rubber gaskets, and they have rubber gaskets around these buttons. It's IPX7 waterproof. So the only way it can be waterproof, to the point where if I just clip these down, these two clips here, and take it off, and I think you'll get about 8 to 10 hours out of this battery. With APRS, it's going to go down a lot quicker in GPS. But anyway, I thought the only way they can do it is that this is already waterproof when it gets to this point, and that makes complete sense. Yeah, but I'm also guessing that correct me if I'm wrong, that this battery unit is also waterproof. Yeah, but when it connects to the radio, these terminals need waterproofing, don't they? You don't want water shorting or causing a problem between the plus and the minus, do you? So I would say that rubber gasket, that red rubber gasket, is going here and creating water. And you can actually, if you look quite hard, you can actually see where the rubber gasket actually does touch it. You can just about see it. Have a good look. So there you go, back on. Don't push on the screen, and I'm not going to put it in a glass of water. I just don't fancy doing that. So 7.3, hope you find this interesting, and I do think it's a great radio, and YAESU, you have done a good job of this radio. 7.3, all the best.